Good morning, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what was the last thing I did yesterday?
This addition of carbene.
I have to start that.
Miss, you're given
Yes.
one example of diazomethane, matlab adding diazomethane.
Okay.
You said you'll give the mechanism today.
Fine. Okay, could you tell me the charges here? Diazomethane.
Entire and positive.
Which one?
The left one negative.
Left positive, right negative.
No middle one positive.
Left one.
Give me its resonating form.
N triple bond. C double bond. Lone pair.
C का single bond हो जाएगा ना?
Yes.
Negative 1C.
Now where is the negative charge?
Carbon.
Miss,
Carbon.
Which of these two resonating forms is more stable?
The left one.
Yes, left one because negative is on nitrogen, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So can I say the second one is more reactive?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you heat, what will happen? This will leave out as what?
N2.
And you're going to be left with what?
Carbene.
H2.
Can I say this is carbene?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Is carbene an electrophile or a nucleophile?
Nucleophile.
Electrophile.
Reasons you'll have to give.
Lone pair of
Incomplete octet, yes. Octet is incomplete, no? It won't donate.
yes, miss.
So it's an electrophile. Where would the electrophile approach now? The alkene. So the carbene attacks the alkene. The pi bond between these two carbon atoms. That electron pair shifts between one of these carbon and the carbene here. So this electron pair is being accepted by carbene. A bond is going to be formed between carbon and carbene here. When this electron pair shifts here to form a bond here, what charge would this carbon get?
Miss positive.
Positive.
And when this shifts here, what charge would this develop?
Miss
Negative.
negative.
So as this shifts here, simultaneously what will happen?
Another
This
bond
carbon
is
is
formed.
becoming electron deficient and this is electron dense. So this will simultaneously give the electron pair. In other words, you will get the formation of the three-membered cyclopropane ring. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Same thing is observed with ketene also. Ketene also I gave you all yesterday.
Yes, sir.
No.
This is ketene. इसका resonating form क्या होगा? So there'll be a triple bond between.
Oxygen and carbon.
Where are the formal charges?
Negative on carbon. Positive on oxygen.
Positive and oxygen.
Which of these two forms is more stable?
Upper one.
Yeah, because can I say no formal charge?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rahel, this is the first slide. So this is more reactive, can I say?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you heat this, what will happen? This will give out what?
Carbon mono.
And you'll be left with what?
Carbene.
Carbene.
This also gives you carbene. Addition of carbene would occur here again in the same way. This would shift here and this would shift here.
Ma'am, can you explain the last step again?
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I say carbene is electron deficient because octet is incomplete?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will pull the pi electrons. As these pi electrons are going to be shifting between these two carbon. Simultaneously, what will happen? This lone pair will shift between these two carbon.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this occurs in the same step. That means the shifting of these pi electrons and the lone pair getting shifted between these two carbon is simultaneous. That means साथ में ही होता है. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no time lag between the shifting of these pi electrons and the shifting of this lone pair.
मैम आपने कार्बन के बाद कौन सा स्टेप लिखा है?
कौन सा? कार्बिन के बाद ये लिखा है ना, नहीं ये वाला.
कार्बन बनता है उसके बाद वो नीचे बनता है वो है.
हाँ, फिर साइक्लोप्रोपेन बनता है ना उसके साथ.
डन मैम.
All of you are done now with this?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम कीटिंग इज द कैटलिस्ट हियर.
कैटलिस्ट नहीं है. कैटलिस्ट होता तो वो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड नहीं दे देता ना.
हाँ मैम.
Okay, what have I taken on the reactant side?
Butane.
Which form of butane?
Cis.
Cis.
The cis.
So to this, if I add carbene, what product I'll get?
1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane.
Very good. But which form? Cis or trans? Mechanism, you can see your answer.
Cis.
Cis.
Yes. So can I say the reaction here will be stereospecific?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a stereo-specific reaction. What's a stereo-specific reaction?
And proceed in two directions, but only forms one.
No, that is regio-specific.
The stereochemistry of the reactor depends on the when
Yes.
the stereochemistry of the product depends on the reactor.
Yes. So I'll get the cis form. Can I say only if I start with cis alkene? And here I'll get the trans form only if I start with the trans form. Okay, so it's a stereo-specific reaction. So you can make a note, addition of singlet carbene is a stereo-specific reaction. What do I mean by singlet carbene?
मैम
There's
can you
one
repeat?
ट्रिपलेट कार्बिन भी होता है ना?
हाँ, and what I made you right now, addition of singlet carbene is stereo-specific. ये यहाँ जो बना है कार्बिन वो कौन सा बना है, सिंगलेट है या ट्रिपलेट है?
सिंगलेट.
Singlet.
हाँ, कैसे आइडेंटिफाई किया?
वो लोन पर साथ
सिंगल कार्बन और लोन पे
कार्बन पे लोन पेयर है ना?
मिस
Yes,
sp2
sir.
हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है ना.
हाँ, तो सिंगलेट कार्बिन है. सिंगलेट कार्बिन का कैन आई से एडिशन हियर, जैसे ये पाई बॉन्ड यहाँ शिफ्ट होता है, ये लोन पेयर यहाँ शिफ्ट होता है साइमल्टेनियसली. एम आई राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I said there is no time lag between the shifting of pi bond and the shifting of lone pair. Had there been a time lag between the shifting of the sigma of the pi bond here and the lone pair here, then what could have happened? Supposing the pi bond is shifting here first, तो जैसे ही pi bond shift होगा, ये bond बनेगा. जब तक ये electron pair यहाँ shift हो जाए, can I say the molecule can rotate with respect to the single bond?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So cis can change into transform also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so but we can see here कि time lag नहीं है. The shifting of pi bond and the shifting of lone pair here is occurring simultaneously. So since there is no time gap between the two processes which I have shown here, that is why the molecule will not be able to rotate across the single bond. In other words, if you start with a cis molecule, you'll get a cis compound in the product also. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
तो सिंगलेट कार्बिन का एडिशन जो है वो स्टीरियो स्पेसिफिक है, बट दैट इज नॉट ट्रू फॉर ट्रिपलेट कार्बिन. सो नाउ आई विल जस्ट टेल यू फॉर ट्रिपलेट कार्बिन. डिड यू फिनिश राइटिंग दिस?
मैम हम लोग को जो साइक्लोप्रोपेन बनाना है और बाद में मिथाइल ऐड करना और हाइड्रोजन ऐड करना.
हाँ.
Can you explain once again why it doesn't rotate?
Is there any time lag between the shifting of the pi bond and the shifting of lone pair?
No, miss.
तो जैसे ये शिफ्ट हो रहा है, ये भी इधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है. Will the molecule have time to rotate between the across the sigma bond?
No. Okay, miss.
क्योंकि ये जैसे ही शिफ्ट हो रहा है, ये भी तो शिफ्ट हो रहा है ना साथ में.
Yes, miss.
ट्रिपलेट कार्बिन का वैसा नहीं होता है. So now I'll give you for triplet carbene. You have finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay. Did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I get a triplet carbene, triplet carbene behaves as a biradical or diradical. What do you mean by diradical?
Two single electrons.
Yes. Can I say it is a, like it has two single unpaired electrons? So two free radicals, I can say.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what happens here is when this is going to add to the alkene. In alkene, can I say again the pi bond will have to break homolytic?
Yes, ma'am.
So this electron of carbon and this electron of carbon will pair up first. So one electron paired. Now this is left with one electron and this is left with one electron. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now these will pair up, giving you the formation of your cyclopropane. So here the pairing up of these electron pairs do not occurs at the same time. That means पहले एक electron pair bond बनता है, उसके बाद the next bond is formed after a time lag. So can I say in between the time gap, the molecule will be able to rotate across this single bond?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So if the configuration is cis, it is not necessary that in the final product also I'll have cis configuration. I can have cis or I can have trans too. Similarly, if I start with trans alkane, finally I'm not like you can get both cis as well as trans. So addition of triplet carbene is not stereospecific, but that of singlet carbene is stereospecific. Did you understand this?
मैम यहाँ पे
Yes,
हमने ट्रांस लिया तो सिस
Sorry.
यहाँ पे ट्रांस लिया तो सिस भी बन सकता है ना?
हाँ, ट्रांस लिया तो सिस भी बन सकता है, ट्रांस भी बन सकता है. वैसे ही सिस लिया तो सिस भी बन सकता है, ट्रांस भी बन सकता है.
मैम कुछ मेजर माइनर है?
नहीं नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है.
So how
So ट्रिपलेट कार्बीन का स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक नहीं होता है. जस्ट मेक अ नोट ऑफ दैट.
हाँ,
एडिशन
रोटेट होगा तो कैसे बॉन्ड बनेगा वो साइड से?
देखो अगर ये सिस फॉर्म है, अगर ये बॉन्ड रोटेट हो गया तो कहना से ये मिथाइल नीचे आ सकता है, हाइड्रोजन ऊपर जा सकता है.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say the final product may have cis or may have trans configuration?
Yes, ma'am.
So addition of triplet is not stereospecific. Addition of a triplet carbene is not stereospecific. Did you finish writing?
No, I'm just.
Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I take this compound, then also this also is addition of carbene only. Okay. Here you have dichlorocarbene. So this is the product. अब इसका mechanism कैसे होगा? What is alcoholic KOH going to do? Alcoholic KOH किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं?
Elimination.
हाँ, dehydrohalogenation, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so this is going to lose the H plus. ये acidic hydrogen है. H plus यहाँ से और Cl minus. तो dehydrohalogenation हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say two atoms are going from the same carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
So which type of elimination is this?
Alpha.
Very good. Alpha elimination. As H plus leaves, it leaves the electron pair on carbon. Cl minus takes the electron pair. So you're going to be left with this. What is this?
Carbon.
This is dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene will add to the alkene in the same way जैसे वो singlet carbene add होता है. ये electron pair यहाँ shift होगा, ये simultaneously यहाँ shift होगा, giving you the formation of the product. All of you understood this?
मैम ये
Yes,
कौन
ma'am.
सा पार्ट है?
Sorry,
ये कौन से पार्ट में आता है?
ये इसी में addition of carbene में ही आता है.
हमको बस CH2 की जगह CCl2 लिखना है ना.
हाँ बस वही है.
Mas,
हाँ,
was the first reaction on this page is that triplet carbene wala, right?
yeah.
Okay, Mas.
You have finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you give me the product here?
We'll get a bicycle here.
Yes. The question is which halogens will be retained here?
Miss Bromine will leave now.
Yes. Okay.
I'm gonna explain again.
Alcoholic KOH is used for dehydrohalogenation, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So H plus has to leave from here. Now out of these three halogens, which is the best leaving group?
Bromine.
Bromine.
So H plus जाएगा और Br minus जाएगा. So you are going to be left with fluorine and fluorine here. So can I say this is the fluorochlorocarbene?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It will add to the alkene, no? In the same way like we did over there. ये pi bond यहाँ shift होगा, ये इधर shift होगा. Got it?
Yes.
So this is how you'll get the 3-membered ring.
मैम KOH होएगा तो H भी निकलेगा ना every time.
हाँ H निकला ना, यहाँ से H निकला ना.
हाँ वही.
Two cyclopropyl groups will be added.
Actually, you get this, but this is it's formed in very less amounts. The major product being this. This is 2-chloropyridine. Sorry, not 2-chloro, 1, 2, 3, 3-chloropyridine.
Why doesn't it attack both the double bond?
Can I say पहले ही एक 3-membered ring बना है molecule में, तो molecule has gained potential energy because it has become less stable. So formation of other ring again won't be feasible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but anyway, the major product here is going to be 2-chloropyridine. So how does this happen? I'll explain. How does a 5-membered change into 6-membered? I'll explain. So I'll do the mechanism on the next slide. Just copy this first. Did you all finish?
Yes, ma'am.
हम 3 क्लोरो इसलिए पहले 2 गए और बाद में 1 गया ना.
हाँ, बाद में गया. अब वो कैसे गया, that I'll explain. You all completed this?
Yes, boss.
Okay. You're taking chloroform and you're adding alcoholic KOH. First step, can I say dehydrohalogenation giving you dichlorocarbene?
Yes.
Okay. Now this dichlorocarbene is going to attack the pyrrole. This compound is known as pyrrole.
मैम mechanism right?
हाँ, ये mechanism है. ये electron यहाँ shift होगा, ये यहाँ shift होगा. So can I say the 3-membered ring would be formed? First step, all of you have understood here. This
Yes,
step,
ma'am.
sorry, second step.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can I say 3-membered rings are not very stable? Of course they are stable, but they are less stable. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
boss.
ma'am.
And moreover, there is availability of lone pair here on nitrogen. So now what will happen? This electron pair would shift in here to form a
Miss double bond.
Double bond.
simultaneously this ring would break up. 3-membered ring will break up. ये जो electron pair है, जब ये electron pair यहाँ shift हो रहा है, can this carbon form 5 bonds?
No, boss.
So this electron pair would shift in here to form a,
Double.
and one of the chlorine will leave out. So just see what is going to happen here. N का जो lone pair है यहाँ shift हुआ है to form what?
Double bond.
Double bond.
हाँ, ये जो bond है वो ब्रेक हुआ है, ये जो बॉन्ड है वो ब्रेक हुआ है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर कहाँ चला गया, यहाँ पर गया
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
और एक Cl निकल गया. So how many membered ring has been formed?
6.
6.
Can I say there's a positive charge here?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will finally lose an hydrogen. H plus will go to give you the final product. Now this type of expansion could happen here because can I say the nitrogen has the availability of lone pair here?
Yes.
अगर ये lone pair नहीं देता तो ये ऐसे ही रहता, molecule would just stay as it is. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So because of the availability of this lone pair, the ring could expand here. The 3-membered ring here, ये bicyclic से monocyclic हो जाता है. Did you all finish?
Wait, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम वो ऊपर एक क्लोरीन क्यों निकलता है?
क्योंकि जब यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा ये कार्बन भी 5 बॉन्ड से नहीं बना सकता है ना.
नहीं मैम वहाँ पे नहीं, सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेप में.
फर्स्ट स्टेप में तो एलिमिनेशन हुआ ना, H और Cl निकला ना. अल्कोहलिक
अच्छा मैम,
केवल
अगर इसके जगह Br होता तो Br निकलता है.
हाँ Br होगा तो Br. Okay, done with this.
Done, ma'am.
What number now? After addition.
7.
Okay, now write down oxidation of alkenes. There are 3 stages of oxidation. You have mild oxidation. The mild oxidizing agents you can use is cold, dilute, alkaline KMnO4, which is also called as Bayer's reagent. Or you can go for OSO4 in sodium sulfite or sodium bisulfite. Or you can use ये क्या है? What is HCOOH?
Acid.
Formic acid.
Carboxylic acid. Formic acid.
हाँ, इसमें कहना है से ये ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा है, ये एक ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
This is peroxyformic acid. All these 3 which I have given are mild oxidizing agents. You could use any of these. Mild oxidation में the alkene gets converted into a glycol. Do you know what are glycols? Glycols are vicinal diol. Vicinal diol मतलब क्या?
Adjacent.
Two OH groups on the adjacent.
Adjacent carbon.
Those compounds are known as glycol. Rajdeep, this is not preparation. This is a reaction of alkenes. Okay.
All
Alkene
of this comes under chemical properties of alkene. No?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Mild oxidizing agents I have given you all. You all could use any of these 3 reagents which I have given you. Moderate oxidation, you have HiO4 called as don't call it periodic, it is periodic acid. Periodic acid, or you can go for what reaction is this?
Ozonolysis.
Reductive ozonolysis. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have an alkene here, that is converted into in fact I've done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ozonolysis में हम क्या करते हैं? Can I say ये break करते हैं and we put oxygen?
Oh, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what you're going to get. Even HiO4 does the same thing. And then you have strong oxidation. For strong oxidation,
periodic acid.
periodic acid. Periodic acid.
मैम आप HiO4 का एक एग्जांपल दे सकते हो?
हाँ मैम वही.
I'll do all these.
Okay, ma'am.
You can use potassium dichromate in acidic medium, or you can go for hot KMnO4, or you can go for ये कौन सा है?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Can I say this is oxidative ozonolysis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Oxidative ozonolysis में क्या होता है? तो
Removal
aldehyde
Conversion
है,
of
aldehyde तो क्या हो जाएगा?
ketone.
ketone बन जाएगा ना.
Acid.
aldehyde acid
Acid.
बन जाएगा ना? कीटोन कैसे है? कीटोन जैसा है वैसे ही रहेगा.
Ma'am, it is oxidative, right?
हाँ, this is oxidative ozonolysis.
Ma'am, when you
हाँ,
say mild oxidation, moderate oxidation, and strong oxidation, you are differentiating them on the terms of degree of oxidation.
yes.
Okay.
You can actually identify it. Okay. Give me the oxidation number of this carbon here. This one.
-1.
Yes. Changing into
0.
so -1 to 0. How many electrons given out?
1.
Here again, can I say -1?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the oxidation state here.
0.
+1.
Plus one.
Sorry.
So how many electrons here?
2.
यहाँ पर
+3.
how many electrons here?
4.
Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
So mild oxidation, carbon with an oxidation state of -1 will just change into 0. Moderate में -1 to +1, and strong में -1 to +3. So 4 electrons here. Here there'll be 2 electrons, and here there'll be only 1 electron given.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
in the first one, it is written a cold diluted alcoholic.
नहीं alkaline.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Did you have finished writing these reagents?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll start with the first one, that is mild oxidation. In mild oxidation, as we know, the carbon and the alkene is going to get itself converted into a glycol. So mild oxidation using KMnO4. Using Bayer's reagent, I'll do first. Why is KMnO4 a good oxidizing agent? Why is KMnO4 a good oxidizing agent? Can I say the substances acting as oxidizing agents get themselves reduced?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So manganese here will prefer undergoing reduction. The reason being manganese has a very high positive oxidation state. Give me the oxidation state of manganese.
+7.
Very
8.
good. नहीं +7 है ना? उसके
हाँ,
कितने
7.
bonds? Oxygen के साथ कितने bonds हैं?
7.
7.
7.
Can I
7.
say it has +7 oxidation state?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So it has a very high positive charge. It will try to reduce its positive charge. How will the positive charge get reduced? By gaining electrons.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what will happen? Just see here. The pi bond between oxygen and manganese. The pi bond will shift to manganese. The electrons are shifting to manganese. What charge will develop on this oxygen?
Plus.
Positive.
Positive.
So this
Positive.
oxygen will pull the pi electrons from carbon atoms. So the pi bond here will shift between carbon and oxygen. What charge will this carbon get?
Positive.
Plus.
Positive.
So this pi electrons will shift between this carbon and oxygen to form a sigma bond. So I'm showing it here. ये पाई बॉन्ड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हुआ है, यहाँ पे ऐसा सिग्मा बॉन्ड बना है, और इसका जो पाई बॉन्ड है वो यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ है. You get this cyclic intermediate which is not very stable because of three different types of heteroatoms. Which are the 3 atoms in the ring?
Oxygen, manganese.
COMN.
So the ring is not very stable. It opens up. This part will break in presence of water. यहाँ पर H और H आ जाएगा, giving you the glycol. This changes
KMnO2.
MnO2, and water का जो OH है वो K+ के साथ react करता है, giving KOH. So manganese has changed from +7 to what oxidation state here?
4 plus 4.
+4.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम वो जो पाई बॉन्ड शिफ्ट होके बॉन्ड बना रहा है उसको हम सिग्मा कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
ये पाई बॉन्ड यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ तो इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसको मिले.
यस.
This pi bond is shifting here to form a single bond between carbon and oxygen. No? तो sigma bond हुआ ना.
हाँ ओके मैम.
ये pi bond भी यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ तो sigma bond बनेगा. +7 से कौन से ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में गया वो पहले? What is the oxidation state of manganese here?
+5.
+5.
And then finally you get +4. Rohan, just 1 minute. Just let them complete this, and I'll go to the previous page. Now, can I say both the oxygen atoms are attacking the alkene from the same side here?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
So can I classify this reaction as a cis addition
Yes.
or syn addition? Why do I classify this as cis or syn addition? Because both the OH groups here will
From the same side.
attack, will be present on the same side. Did you all finish writing this?
Wait, ma'am.
Done, Mitali?
Done, ma'am.
So now if I take this, which alkene is this?
Cis-butane.
What product would I get? Cis पे cis addition हो रहा है.
Butane diol.
You'll get butane 2,3-diol, but what will be the configuration?
Cis.
Huh? Cis configuration matlab? Will the product will have cis or trans configuration?
No.
No, miss.
Come on, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the question?
I want the stereochemistry of the product.
Z.
How is that? You're going to get this form. ये Z form होगा.
No.
Meso.
Meso.
इसको Z बोलोगे आप. Z और E तो geometrical isomerism में आता है. Will this show geometrical isomerism?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No.
Meso.
हाँ, cis पे cis एडिशन होता है तो मीजो कंपाउंड बनेगा. अगर ट्रांस लिया तो क्या मिलेगा? ट्रांस पे cis एडिशन होगा तो कौन सा बनता है? Arey, I have done these type of reactions. You have forgotten.
Enantiomers. Racemic mixture.
Enantiomers.
Yes, you'll get a mixture of these two.
Racemic mixture.
So racemic mixture.
So you'll get racemic mixture. So cis here will give you the meso and trans will give you the racemic mixture.
ये थ्रियो एरिथ्रो वाला है
हाँ, तो ये आपको मिलेगा
एरिथ्रो
ये थ्रियो है, ये एरिथ्रो होता है. देखो वहां पर मैंने ब्रोमीन एडिशन किया था. डू यू रिमेम्बर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ब्रोमीन
miss.
एडिशन का मोड ऑफ एडिशन कैसा है?
Trans.
Trans.
तो वहां पर if I was taking cis, can I say I was getting racemic mixture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
If I was taking trans, I was getting
Meso
meso.
compound.
ट्रांस पे अगर ट्रांस एडिशन होता है तो मीजो बनता है. वैसे ही सिस पे अगर सिस एडिशन होता है तो मीजो
Meso.
बनता है. समझा कि नहीं समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Same mode of addition on the similar type of alkene means if I have a trans alkene and mode of addition is also trans, then the product will always be a
मीजो
similarly cis alkene पे cis addition होगा तो compound क्या बनेगा?
मीजो
Meso.
Meso.
और trans पे cis addition होगा तो racemic.
Racemic.
Racemic
Did you
mixture.
understand this?
but Bayes always
Yes,
go
ma'am.
through cis addition ना
हाँ, बेयस का cis addition ही होता है.
ओके मैम
जैसे ब्रोमीन का ट्रांस एडिशन होता है, पता है? These type of reactions are classified as stereospecific reactions. What do you mean by stereospecific? अभी बताया था.
stereochemistry
Stereochemistry of product is dependent on reaction.
Yes. Okay, stereochemistry of product will depend on the stereochemistry of the reactor. I think Rohan, you wanted that previous slide, na? I forgot. I'll go back to that now. Just copy this first.
So it's always stereo specific, right?
This is stereospecific, na? Will the addition of KMnO4 to this alkene be stereospecific?
no
No.
Ethene ले लो, ethene ले लो. अब ये ethene का तो I think I did it over there. Ethene and you add Bayer's reagent.
it won't be chiral
Will this reaction be stereospecific?
No.
No.
Why this is not stereospecific?
2 hydrogen
Miss, no stereochemistry.
Yes, neither the reactant nor the product shows any stereochemistry, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this cannot be classified as a stereospecific reaction. But these are examples of stereospecific reaction. Finished copying this?
Done.
Rohan, you wanted this slide now? Just see what you want from here.
Can you repeat that? You said ना अगर cis होता है and cis addition हो तो
हाँ तो मीजो बनता है. सिस पे सिस एडिशन होता है तो मीजो बनता है.
मैम और cis पे trans
तो रेसिमिक रहेगा. रेसिमिक.
और trans पे cis तो भी racemic ना?
रेसिमिक. हाँ.
Okay miss. और trans पे trans?
मीजो.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Rohan. This you all have finished, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I have something like this, Now give me the product.
The pi bond will go and OH groups will be added.
Yes, but then what configuration of the product?
cis.
Can I say I'll get this?
Yes.
All of you understood this? Both the OH will come on the same side, am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
या तो दोनों आगे हो सकते हैं या दोनों पीछे, but then that will be the same molecule. दोनों आगे लिखो, दोनों पीछे लिखो, it will be same. Why it will be same? Who will tell me?
मिस ये पीछे से देख रहा है.
Are these two same?
Yes,
Yeah.
miss.
So you won't get this. मतलब एक ही चीज मिलेगा. वो दोनों एक ही चीज है.
Yes, ma'am.
Can this reaction be classified as stereospecific?
No.
Yes.
Can this reaction be classified as stereospecific? No. Why no? I want the answer.
Because there's no stereochemistry of reactant.
Very good. But can I say this is stereoselective? What do you mean by stereoselective reaction? Stereoselective
Direction
reactions are
specific.
those.
Direction.
Stereoselective reactions are those where a particular stereoisomer is obtained. Stereoselective क्या होता है? Where a particular stereoisomer is favored over the other. Can I say ये compound के दो forms हो सकते हैं, cis भी हो सकता है, trans भी.
Yes, miss.
But I'm getting which form? I'm
Cis.
getting
The
only
cis
one
form.
stereoisomer, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you get only one particular stereoisomer, the reaction is classified as stereoselective.
Selective.
Even this is a stereoselective reaction. ये जो example मैंने दिए हैं वो भी stereoselective reaction है. Can I say one particular stereoisomer is obtained here?
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें भी racemic मिल रहा है, meso नहीं बन रहा है. Am I right?
मैम जिसमें मेजर माइनर आता है वो नहीं होता है ना.
नहीं, वो तो regio specific होता है और regio selective. स्टीरियो सिलेक्टिव मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर स्टीरियोआइसोमर फेवर होता है रिएक्शन में, समझा? और स्टीरियो स्पेसिफिक क्या होता है?
में स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री.
I say that all stereo specific reactions
Are stereoselective.
are stereo selective. See my handwriting, it has become horrible. But the reverse may or may not be true. Means
All
All
stereoselective
stereoselective may or may not be.
may not be stereospecific.
converse बोलते हैं ना, converse may or may not be.
Yes, miss.
Like ये जो मैंने reaction अभी यहाँ लिखा है, can I say it is only stereo selective
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
not stereo specific? और ये जो मैंने यहाँ लिखा है, ये वाला, that is both stereo selective as well as.
Stereospecific.
Did you get it what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
सारे स्टीरियो स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन स्टीरियो सिलेक्टिव होते ही हैं क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर स्टीरियो आइसोमर बनता है वहां पर. ओके, बट रिवर्स कन्वर्स मतलब और स्टीरियो सिलेक्टिव रिएक्शंस may or may not be stereo specific. Like this is a stereo selective reaction which is not stereo specific. This is a stereo selective reaction which is also stereo specific. Did you all understand what I have said now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is using OSO4 in sodium sulfite or bisulfite. Bayer's reagent I have done. Next is OSO4. OSO4 is also a mild oxidizing agent. This also converts the alkene to glycol. Why is OSO4 a strong oxidizing, or why is OSO4 a good oxidizing agent?
High oxidation state.
Very high oxidation.
+8 hai. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It will accept electrons. The pi electrons will shift here. This will simultaneously shift here, and this will simultaneously. So can I say the addition is exactly similar to that of
KMNO4.
KMNO4? इसका भी cis addition ही है. So there is no difference between KMNO4 and OSO4. यहाँ पे you require sodium sulfite or sodium bisulfite to break up this complex. ये break होता है. You get the formation of glycol. Along with that, this gives you H2 OSO3.
मैम वहाँ पे +5 होता है ना ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट नंबर.
+5 नहीं होगा ये.
नहीं मैम सेकंड स्टेप.
हाँ यहाँ +5 नहीं है ना, +6 है.
हाँ सॉरी 6.
6 बॉन्ड्स है ना ऑक्सीजन के साथ. तो इसका एडिशन आई एम नॉट डूइंग मोर ऑफ दिस बिकॉज इट इज एग्जैक्टली सेम टू दैट ऑफ बेयर्स रिएजेंट. I'll take a peroxyformic acid. ये लिख लिया.
Done.
Okay, next is using peroxyformic acid. Peroxyformic acid, you can simply write it as HCO3H. Now this is a peroxide, and in peroxide, which is the weakest bond?
OO.
Okay, how would you expect this OO bond to break here?
Homolytic.
There is resonance here. Resonance की वजह से यहाँ पर चार्ज क्या है?
Plus.
So will it break homolytic?
No, heterolytic.
हाँ, in fact क्या होता है? This electron pair, it shifts in here to form what?
Double bond.
This simultaneously shifts here. What charge will be this
Minus.
oxygen getting?
Negative.
So
Negative.
this will give out H plus. That H plus will migrate to this oxygen, and this electron pair will shift to oxygen. अब देखो क्या मिल रहा है?
Acid.
Can I say यहाँ ये acid बन गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये ऑक्सीजन का क्या हुआ? इसके पास अब कितने लोन पेयर हो गए?
3 minus.
What charge on this?
Nothing.
No charge.
No.
Different.
Neutral.
इसको क्या बुलाते हैं?
Nascent oxygen.
Nascent oxygen.
Nascent oxygen is nothing but an atom of oxygen. A newly born oxygen is called as nascent oxygen. Nascent मतलब newly born. Okay. So this is a newly born oxygen atom. Very reactive. Why very reactive?
Incomplete octet.
So it's an oxygen atom which is very reactive because it has an incomplete octet. Incomplete octet, so can I say it will attack the alkene? It's an electrophile, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, what will happen? The pi bond here will shift between carbon and oxygen to form a sigma bond. Simultaneously, this electron pair shifts in here. So what is going to be formed here? This you all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the epoxide. What are epoxides? They are three-membered cyclic ethers. Epoxides are three-membered cyclic ethers. Sanvi, just let me complete this, then I'll go to the previous slide. Fine. Now again, epoxides are not very stable. Why they are not very stable? Can I say because of angle strain?
Yes, ma'am.
So now water will come and attack the carbon as a nucleophile because CO bond is going to break here. Can I say water will have to come and attack the carbon from the opposite side? It cannot come from the same side where this oxygen is there.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
So water will come and attack one of the carbon and causing this bond to break. So ये bond break हो गया. ये ऑक्सीजन के पास अभी 3 लोन पेयर आ गए और यहाँ पर वाटर ने अटैक किया है. गिव मी द फॉर्मल चार्जेस.
नीचे वाले पे नेगेटिव.
यहाँ पे
पॉजिटिव.
Now there will be an IMPE. IMPE is called as intramolecular proton exchange. Intramolecular proton exchange. Proton क्या होता है?
Positive charge.
Positive charge.
H plus ions. Can I say H plus ion is a proton?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So
miss.
this will give away H plus. ये H plus कहाँ जाएगा?
Oxygen.
Open.
Oxygen.
So this is that intramolecular proton exchange, giving you the glycol. Now one thing.
Side.
Sorry.
It will be formed on opposite side.
Very good. Yes. Can I say the mode of addition here is a
Trans.
trans addition or anti addition? Unlike Bayer's reagent or OSO4. Bayer's reagent और OSO4 में mode of addition क्या है?
Cis.
Cis.
हाँ. But
Cis or syn.
peroxyformic acid में you get trans addition.
Trans or anti.
हाँ. Because here the reaction proceeds through the formation of an epoxide. Just tell me once you're done with this.
Done.
1 minute, ma'am.
हाँ, waiting.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvi, you wanted this slide? This one? Okay, just copy it. So now if I take a cis alkene here and I add peroxyformic acid, what product?
Racemic.
Racemic mixture.
You'll get a racemic mixture. और अगर ट्रांस लिया तो
Meso.
Meso.
what if I take this?
Trans.
Are these two same?
No.
Are these two same?
No, miss.
No, ma'am.
So you'll get a mixture of these two. What made you say these two are not same?
They are enantiomers.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Yes, Shubh, I'll go back to the last slide. Just complete this first. Did you all finish?
Done, ma'am. Done, done.
Okay. This is the last slide.
Done, Miss. Thank you.
This also is done, no? All of you?
मैम उसमें रेसमिक क्यों बनेगा
किसमें?
नीचे वाले में लास्ट में?
Can I say दोनों OH opposite side पे होंगे?
यस
तो ये OH पीछे हो सकता है और ये आगे,
ओके
तो
मैम
ये आगे ये पीछे हो सकता है ना?
यस मैम
Are you done?
यस मैम
So I'm done with mild oxidation. Moderate oxidation में मैंने कौन से reagents दिए हैं?
HIO.
iodic
Iodic
acid.
acid.
Ozonolysis, reductive ozonolysis.
Or iodic acid and reductive ozonolysis. So what does HiO4 or reductive ozonolysis do? They do the same thing. They convert fine. HiO4 का जो mechanism है, I'll be taking up in the chapter of alcohols. Okay, glycols में I'll be taking up the mechanism. So as of now, just understand that इसका जो reaction है, it is same like reductive ozonolysis. It is going to break it here, put oxygen and oxygen on either side. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
और strong oxidation में मैंने कौन से reagents use किए हैं?
Potassium dichromate.
Oxidative ozonolysis.
हाँ,
Hot
strong
KMnO4.
oxidation में
Hot
uh,
KMnO4.
if the alkene has a hydrogen on the carbon, then you're going to get the corresponding carboxylic acid. और कीटोन जो होगा वो कीटोन के जैसे ही रहता है. इसके मैंने reagents जो दिए हैं वो acidified dichromate है, or you can use hot KMnO4, or you can use oxidative ozonolysis. Okay, so all these three do the same thing. So I'm done with oxidation of alkenes. Next class I'll start with hydration of alkenes. Okay. Fine. Homework I've already given you all. I've told you all to complete aromatic hydrocarbons.
Yes, ma'am.
That has to be completed by the next class. Okay. Anyhow, you have to complete it and show. Aromatic हो जाना चाहिए. Simultaneously, अगर aromatic complete हो रहा है तो hydrocarbons also you can start. Almost 80% of hydrocarbons I'm done with. Hydrocarbons का booklet. And all of you have purchased the 12th standard HSC book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So from that you can start doing the halogen derivatives also, alkyl and aryl halides. You all know how to appear for MCQs. You all don't know how to write the answers. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसमें जो चैप्टर है halogen derivatives वाला alkyl and aryl halides, उसके पीछे जो questions दिए हुए हैं सारे, those questions I want you to attempt.
Strong oxidation का भी mechanism same है ना moderate जैसा?
नहीं, इसमें खाली वो जो aldehyde है उसका further oxidize होता है ना, तो एक extra step है उसमें.
अच्छा, वो आप next class कराओगे?
नहीं, strong oxidation का तुमको steps है ही नहीं, वैसे mechanism है ही नहीं. Too
Okay.
complex mechanism because electron transfer बार बार होता है वहाँ पर, so you don't have those mechanisms.
Okay.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, we have mechanism only for mild oxidation, correct?
Yes, mine. और HiO4 का I'll be doing it in alcohols. Okay, first slide I think you want. First slide is this. Those who have finished can leave. Huh? Okay, done. Shall I am ending the class now? Bye all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shivani, wow, that is now lovely. Huh? 34 on 35. Excellent. Very good. Very good. But I want the same in your mains ka results also. Huh? A similar result for your mains also. ठीक है, चलो. Bye all of you. Yes, bye.